Hello, my beautiful friends. Ah! It's Miss P. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my memberships. What? Yes, this 45-year-old mompreneur, kitchen cleaner, food shopper, dog washer, poop scooper. What else? There's more. Oh yeah, I'm a YouTuber now. What? All kidding aside, it is my honor and my great pleasure to bring you belly dance for fun, for fitness, and to feel good. That's my goal, and I'm sticking to it. So let's talk about the different membership options. We've got two tiers. Tier 1 is $199 a month, and it's called Support Portia. What is that? Well, in all honesty, it's kind of like a tip. It's kind of like, hey, thanks for putting all this stuff out here. I love you. I want to support you. And I want to keep you off the pole. I want to keep you clean for your kids. I'm so joking right now, but you get me, right? Super appreciate you. Tier number 1 comes with some perks. Badges and emojis. A badge is a little icon that'll appear next to your name, and there's different colors, and it shows how long you've been a member. This is your jam if you want to stand out using badges and emojis during chats, when you're commenting. I kind of feel like I need this in my life and at home, like priority responding. The badge signals people like, hey, you have to, okay, whatever. I'm going off on a tangent. Okay, now our second badge is $9.99 a month, and this is for those of you who really want to dance. How does this work? Number 1, you're going to receive access to a members-only, ad-free library where I have classes, tutorials, and all sorts of content to keep you moving and grooving, shaking and baking. Our second perk is getting early access to premieres. So you'll get a notification of a new premiere being posted. You'll be able to view it ad-free before it's posted to the public. And third perk, which is probably the most exciting, is 1 live class a month. Members get to attend my 1 live a month, which will happen every 4th Sunday, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. This is our chance to get to know each other. Not only will we dance and I'll have specific classes or tutorials prepared, but you'll be able to chime in. You'll be able to make requests, ask questions, you name it. So it's a little more intimate, a little bit more personalized. So how do you sign up? Click the join button below and you'll be prompted to select either tier 1, $199, or tier 2, which is $9.99, and you'll be on your way to enjoying those perks and getting those cute butts moving. I'll see you in class.